Stop, ninja. I've got to. Me too.
Well, you'll never catch me.
Gotcha. It's time to go to the mountain and open the portal to the 16th realm.
So, everybody knows everybody now?
I'm also coming.
We got it, Lloyd. We need to leave. There's not much time. Zane's right. We can't stay here forever. So what's that place the Sons of Garmadon are going to again? Sons of Garmadon, we're all here today to create the Realm Crystal and open a portal to the first out of the 16 realms that we will conquer. I'll start with the Sword of Fire, the Sword of Light, the Sword of Gold, the Sword of Darkness, and at last, the Sword of Resurrection.
Episode 94. The Dragon and the Portal.
Not so
Fast.
Actually, yes, so fast. And now, it's time to recreate the Realm Crystal. At last, the Realm Crystal was recreated, and the portal to the first realm can be opened. All I have to do now is point the Realm Crystal at the full moon, and the perfect circle-shaped portal will be opened. The portal is starting to open. We need to stop it. Correct. So let's fight our way to my dad and stop this. Dude, you're brave for a girl your age. It's action time. Ha! Yes, the portal is starting to open. Guys, we need to stop this portal from opening.
Do you have any plan to do that?
No. We need a plan. Otherwise, all this will be for nothing. Guys, I've got an idea. So, right, Lloyd needs the whole moonlight for, opening the portal? Yes. And he needs that so that the portal would be circled just like the moon. So say the portal wasn't circled. Then the Sons of Garmadon wouldn't be able to go into the portal. Exactly. Oh, Alex, you wanted to do something, right? Of course I want to. So I've got a mission for you. What mission? Okay, you have dragon blood, right? Well, yeah. Okay, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but the portal is open. Where's Alex? What? There's a hole in the shape of a dragon in the portal. Master, there's a dragon flying in front of it. So shoot it down. Yes, sir. Alex! She's a teenager. Sons of Garmadon, it's time to jump into the portal. We'll deal with the ninja in the meantime. Don't touch the ninja. Second thought, we'll also jump into the portal with the rest of the Sons of Garmadon. Harumi, you jump in first. Ultraviolet, you're next. Kilo, you're third. The rest of you. Spike. Cunningham. The idiot who cares what his name is. I'm Jeff, my name is Jeff. And now, me. No, Lloyd. You're not going to get in there with the rest of the Sons of Garmadon. I'm sorry, Cole, but you and your ninja were too late. I'm going to jump into the portal, and straight after that, it's going to close. You will only have like 20 seconds to get into it, but that won't be enough time for all of you. Ninja, jump quickly! Thank you, Sons. I nearly thought you were going to forget me. We'll never forget you. Vincent, Tong, come quickly. The portal is starting to close.